Manual recording will now start.
Apparently this crash just happened.
Okay.
Okay, that thing is cute. I'm not even mad.
I would rewatch both of these. I really like the editing of this one. This one was just kind of flat, one shot kind of deal. You know.
Our proof, Jack.
They were in a church.
Jack, you just destroyed our evidence. Oh.
All right, Colin. It's time to
Manual recording will now start.
To the company, and they base the skin tone, the hair color, the eye color on your child.
I wanted to lay down at an angle because this whole wall is angled really weirdly alongside that, so you can stargaze and see.
Despite all the guests falling into the lake at pretty much the same time, some took longer to drown than others.
I'll find somewhere to U-turn.
Gas station's fun. Whoa.
Ah, yes, let me pull out in the middle of the road. Okay. All of these telephone poles were just replaced. Brand new poles, brand new fixtures, and already there's a problem with one of them.
What are we watching? What is this? Are we traveling? Are we going to another planet? What is this? Are we going to discuss these in the order we want?
Manual recording will now start.
Tree can be followed a lot further down into the roots, like a lot further along than that. But I agree that the predecessor to this, like,
That it doesn't go too fast. Add to that it has an extremely small variety of elements available, and you have a boring coaster type with low speeds and low stats.
So post-apocalyptic kicking film. I not love this movie. Don't say that yet. Well.
That just happened too.
because she needs help fighting the T-Rex.
Yes. And who better to help you fight a T-Rex than some low-level thugs?
Would you help?
Manual recording will now start.
Handcuff.
Done. Scene's over.
And instead of doing things,
I guess that's up to you, but I don't know that I have the power to describe it.
Where Anakin is working on a droid that really does resemble a monitor, kind of like Guilty Spark. And then in the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers comic book
Manual
series,
recording
seriously,
will
it's
now
a
start.
Alright, you asked for it. I want to get... Yeah, what the fuck is wrong with you, asshole?